Hi there and welcome back to Kernowoutdoors. Today we're having a look at the Aether Plus 70, the bag in the lid, and I'm going to show you how to actually assemble that, as some people were asking. So the Aether Plus 70 is a large bag with a substantial lid, ideal for if you're multi-day trekking or in and out of hostels. The lid becomes its own backpack. To create that, we unclip it from the front. At the back there are actually clips, but it took me a minute to realise that, but they are clips like so. And we just pull them in, keep it nice and tidy. Done with the Aether, so that can go to one side. Now we have the bag. Open one zip and you'll see the bag transforms and the harness or the shoulder straps are in the back. Now the bit that was confusing a lot of people, including me when I first assembled it, was how do you get the shoulder straps to connect to the bag. But in the corner you'll see little eyelets, and the shoulder straps simply loop through there. It's not the most secure method, but for a day lid it's fine. So it looks like that. To realise this was right, if you look carefully on the sternum strap, you can see on the buckle in the middle of the shoulder strap, it is connected to the bag in the same way that we did. You can see a little, it's not really obvious, but there is a loop there, and that little thing simply passes through. You can see the loop there, which to me demonstrates how the bottom goes. Once it's in there, it's secure. It's a very light bag, ideal for day packing. With your Aether, obviously it's open at the top now, but they have thought of that. A zip at the back, and out pops a quick flap. It just goes over. Quite a nice lightweight alternative. Clip it on, nice watertight, wind-tight, and ready for action. So there you go, the Aether Plus 70, the bag in the lid, ideal. Thank you for watching.